Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the chapter Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. So, students, let us take up the exercise work today. Something to know. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. What does the word Janpada literally mean? The king, the group, the land, the law. So, literal meaning of Janpada is the land. Question number 2. In which category the Sakyas of Kapil Vastu can be replaced? Can be placed. So their category was Gan Sangha. If you remember Gan Sangha, they were republics. So the answer is Gan Sangha. Ajat shifted his capital from Rajgriha to Vaishali, Kaushambi, Champa or Patliputra. So the answer is Patliputra. The supreme head of the state chosen by people was Raja, Mahamantras, Ayuktas, Gramini. So students, the answer of this question is Raja. Which one of the following emerged as the most powerful Mahajanpada? Anga, Vatsa, Avanti, Magadha. So the answer is Magad. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash were the kingdoms where the kings were not hereditary. So the answer is Gansangha. In Gansanghas, people used to choose their king. King Dash never tolerated any inefficient official. So King Bimbisar. The capital of the Sakyas was Kapilvastu. The people of Magad raised dash crops in a year. They used to raise 3 crops in a year. The head of Artisans Association was known as Shrini. The head of any association was known as Shrini, and those associations were known as guilds. Now, write true or false for the following statements. The Varna system was based on birth. Yes, this is true. Vaishyas were called Sangrihitis. That is false. Gramini helped the king in his central administration. False. Not in the central administration but the administration of their areas. Magad had a flourishing long distance trade. That is true. There was no assembly in the republics. So that is false. So students, now these questions answers are there. What were Mahajanpadas? Name any 4 of them. So students, only discussion I will do with you, otherwise I will upload them to your website only. What were Mahajanpadas? Janpadas were there, but if Janpadas were expanded or if Janpadas extend their territories, they became Mahajanpadas. Name any 4 of them. 4 Janpadas. So the answer can be Magad, Vats, Avanti or Kosala. What was the status of Magad under the Nandas? So Magad का तो हमेशा से ही स्टेटस बहुत अच्छा रहा है. Under Nandas also it had a very powerful status. It had become a powerful Mahajanpada. Okay. What made the people What made the people drift away from Brahmanism? People started drifting away from Brahmanism because of the Varna system, because of the rigid Varna system and the rituals. Mention any 2 achievements of Ajatshotru. Ajatshotru extended his territory also and he built fortresses also. So these are the achievements. What was a guild? What was its main purpose? So guild was an association, a kind of association for all occupations. So what was its main purpose? Its main purpose was to you know to complete to completely decide upon everything regarding that occupation, and they used to pay taxes to the king also. So students, up to here only we will study, because these questions they will be uploaded to your DAV website, and these also I have discussed them with you, but still they will be uploaded to your DAV website. From that only you will do. Otherwise, if you want to do the question answers from book, you can do, but make them very short. Otherwise, I will upload them. Revise the chapter, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.